Is your Nissan Armada's alarm going off randomly? Let's pinpoint the likely culprits. First, check the hood and liftgate switches. These often corrode or become misaligned, sending false open signals. You can test these with a multimeter. They should show zero resistance when closed. Next, the key fob battery is a frequent offender. A weak CR2032 battery disrupts the signal, triggering alarms. Replacing it is a simple fix. Remember, models pre-2018 typically require hardware fixes, while newer ones may have received over-the-air software updates from Nissan to address sensor calibration. Prioritize these checks for a quick resolution. If the switches and fob battery aren't the issue, try resetting the alarm system. A basic reset involves cycling the ignition or disconnecting the battery for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the body control module, BCM. For persistent problems, a Nissan-specific code sequence might be needed, like pressing lock-unlock in a specific order upon entry. If these steps fail, the problem could stem from the BCM itself. In this case, an OBD2 scanner is recommended to diagnose potential BCM faults. In high humidity climates, check for corrosion on the liftgate switch. If you have a newer Armada, ensure you've installed the latest Nissan Connect updates. If problems continue, consulting a certified Nissan mechanic is the best course of action.